This time we will make some charts here. Suppose I forgot to copy this top here. What are they anyway? So these are about the per capita. I wonder if they would copy nicely. So let's see. If I do paste here, it doesn't. Okay, Control Z to get rid of it. So in some cases, you just cannot force the case. You just got to go and manually solve the whole thing. So here we go. I will just do per capita in dollars. So I will put it here. Okay, even that became 2 lines. So I got to paste here. And then I will just get rid of this. Okay, as a percentage of GDP, I will put in here. And then I will have this. It would be here, right? Let me see. And I lost it. Where did it go? Well, you get the idea. I will not spend time on it. So it's just exercise in copying and pasting. So I will just do up to here. And you saw the bar on top before. Let's see if I can find the... there used to be a go back button, but I don't see it anymore. Where was it? Let's see. The chart was here. Okay. So here I have this average real annual growth percent here. Control C. I will show you how to fake that. That you had 3 years worth here. And you click on the merge button here. They will merge. So all these 3 became 1. Now Control V. And here, what's the matter? Okay, it would not go. So I will just copy here first. And then Control C and put it here. Control V. Okay. So I got it. Cannot see the whole thing, so just make it a little smaller. Okay, there we go. So you can put it like that. Okay. Might as well finish the job. So I had the 85 to 95, Control C, Control V, and here I have other one, Control C, then Control V. Okay, well, they are overriding each other. You can have a cheap shot by solve it cheaply by double clicking on this, but that would just ruin the whole format here. So the right way is actually, the reason it's getting big is because these guys here. But, okay, now I just want to show you how to process data, so I will not spend time. Whoa, I didn't mean to do this. I will just use this to get the data graphed. So here, let's just make it reduce the font, and more or less we got the idea of what it is. All right, now we want to, this is countries, obviously. So let's see if we can do anything with this up to here. Because Germany seems... Why are 3 countries clustered like that? That's very interesting. These guys got clustered. You may have to copy them separately. Let me see. If I copy Germany like that into their own, does it go? Somehow it doesn't. Oh, I didn't copy as a table. Right click, copy as table, come here, and Control Z, Control V. Now it does. So do those line at a time. I don't know why they clustered up and down. Okay, so you need to have some manual doctoring like that. Let me, why don't I do this? Australia is this. So I didn't do copy as table. Let's do it again. Right click, copy as table, come to Excel, and Control V. There we go. These numbers will get in the way. You would have to delete them. I mean, the little B's that you have, those would make the numbers, I mean, right click, copy as table, and then come here and do this. Okay, these are not even saying that this format is wrong because it gave up on being, okay, this is too much work. It gave up on being a number. So what I will do is I will highlight this, okay? Let me see if I can automate this. So go to the edit, copy and paste. Control H does it, so I will do Control H. And I will do Control V, what I had just copied, and I leave blank here. In other words, look for these guys and just delete them, because I'm substituting that with blank here. So let's see, replace. Okay, cannot find the match. It finds the match at the cell level. The entire cell has to be matched. So here you got to doctor it. F2, backspace, backspace, and that's it. Here we go. F2, F2. So these guys became numbers, but not these. So why don't we highlight the whole thing anyway, and let's turn them into numbers. Drop down, convert to numbers. Here we go. So Australia, Germany, and they are all nice now, so they would fit nicely in here, except I needed space. Right click, insert copy to cells. Okay, how come it didn't go? Oh, shift down. Okay, it was not cool. So what I will do is I will not copy anything, but to get rid of it, I will do Control C here. Okay, now I'm going to insert, copy cells, here we go, and right click, insert. So I'm making space for me to work on. There we go. And this, oh, what happened? I want them to be numbers. Let's convert to numbers first. Why doesn't it come up? There. But I want it for everybody. There we go. Drop down, convert to numbers, got it. Okay, now I'm copying Control C and Control V. There we go, and this line can go. So I'm right clicking and delete. Okay, we're in business here. So I can talk about these countries in a flawless manner. Now I see United Kingdom, Italy, Japan got messed up. You figure out and you fix it. Now let's go to insert. And now we'll make a chart. So what do we do? Should we do scatter? I think line is the right one for this one. So we have many countries, so we will do this. There we go. Okay. And then, I didn't mean that. So this is per capita for this. It doesn't think that this is the, okay. It got it wrong. This is the data axis, and this is the chart. So I will just Control Z out of it. It doesn't realize that these are the x-axis. So let me see if I can specify it. Insert in the column, not column, line, and I would have to, because what it thinks is that these are the titles or the labels, and these are the data points, but it's the other way, you see. How can I do this then? Maybe column, line cannot be done. Maybe I should do the column. Okay, let's see. If I did this 3D column, this is what I would get. Okay, so more or less this is right. So what we have is, let me show you if I can show you better by resizing it. So one number is so dominantly big that the others are not showing here. It has all these three numbers here, per capita and per percentage here, but those numbers are too small. So why don't we forget this one, Control Z, and we will not use this number here. We will just use these numbers, now up to here, and then I will press Control and then highlight these. Okay, and then I will make chart. Insert, column, let's have 3D columns like that. Okay, now it makes more sense, right? Numbers are more or less comparable, so it's coming out right. So in this case, I didn't use the titles here, so let me go back again. Because it says series 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that? They are supposed to be these. So I want them to go automatically inside, so delete this. Delete this, okay, let's do it again. Highlight, including the country name, Control these, and then insert, column. This time let's try this way, 3D column in a piled way. Oh, let's do circular column this time, stacked this way. Okay, there we go. So here, the labels are inserted automatically, you see here. So it makes more sense, and this is how you make the chart.